At Odoo, our mission is to help businesses of all sizes work smarter, not harder, no matter the industry. With our all in one platform, food trucks can streamline everything, handle point of sale, field service, invoices, and sales all within the platform. If you're curious about what Odoo can do for you, go to odoo.com and select industry at the top bar. Then search for your industry to get started. And the best part? Odoo supports all businesses, and we continually expand our platform to include new industries. So let's dive into a day in Odoo for a food truck. While on the streets, a food truck can use Odoo Point of Sale to take orders and accept payments directly from customers or event attendees, ensuring fast, organized service even during peak rushes. The POS is a fully featured solution that supports menus and products, quantity adjustments, and custom notes, allowing the team to ring up orders accurately and reduce mistakes. Because it's designed for speed, staff can move customers through the line quickly while still capturing the details needed to prepare each order correctly. All transactions are stored in Odoo, providing a clear and integrated overview of revenue and performance through built-in reporting. This enables you to see which items sell best, which events are most profitable, and how sales trends vary day by day, location, or time slot. With Odoo Sales, a food truck can build professional, consistent quotations for catering jobs and private events in minutes. You can create quotes for common offerings like per-person packages, add-ons like extra sides, dessert, or late-night service, with support for templates to ensure consistency. Quotes can be emailed directly from Odoo as clean PDFs, with clear terms and even optional expiration dates, allowing customers to review and accept them online. If you take deposits, you can include payment terms and convert approved quotations into confirmed sales orders without retyping details. Paper doesn't update in real time, but Odoo does. Let's say you have a large order for a big venue. Put away that notepad. We're going to start in CRM with the lead, and then when it evolves, we can bring field service into the equation. Whether you're working a festival, corporate campus, or neighborhood market, you can create a work order that includes the address, arrival time, setup requirements, permits, utility hookups, and even contact information for organizers. Then staff can follow standardized pre-event and post-event checklists, such as is the inventory loaded, the equipment and other signage, are the health permits on hand, and then you can attach photos from a mobile device. All these papers get stored inside of Odoo Docs, so that notepad really does become a thing of the past. You can also schedule events on a calendar and then assign them to specific trucks or teams, and then track outcomes so that future events run smoothly. This is especially useful when you're juggling multiple gigs per week and you need repeatable operations rather than relying on memory or paper. Food trucks already face ever-growing competition from traditional restaurants, which utilize real estate and other tools at their disposal. Odoo helps you bridge the gap by providing virtual manpower through faster restocking, order handling, and event management, so that you really feel like you have a full staff always at hand, helping you grow. If you're ready to see how we can help, visit odoo.com to schedule an appointment and let us guide you personally. Come grow with us.